Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in an LT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back so you can cover up your belongings and keep them protected from the elements. And freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, once we unbuckle this, you do have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet right down here with fitted rubber floor mounts throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start installed, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running, and looking at the odometer, you can see it's sitting at 156,902 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, your fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, engine hours, transmission fluid, trailer brake, and back to digital speed. But you can also go into your audio, phone, navigation, and options, so you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, and then to the left of the steering wheel entirely, you have your trailer brake controller, your 4x4 controls with 4Auto, and your light controls. You also have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, if you can see that. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and then, let's see, Bluetooth, and I believe also auxiliary, so you do have quite and CD, of course, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your OnStar navigation, and any messages you can look at as well. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then moving down from that, you have your media controls, of course, and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. And below that, you have your traction control shutoff, your cargo lights or box lights, whatever you want to call it. And then below that, you have a compartment for storage and a 12-volt power outlet there where you can plug something into power charge. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have three cup holders and three cubbies, as well as your center compartment / armrest here, with a 12-volt power outlet, two USBs, and your auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio. But then this does flip up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you actually have another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.